Have you ever wished you could remember everything? Every math formula, every science fact, every country name? Well, today I'll show you a Japanese technique that can make your memories super strong. And I'll use examples from math, science, and geography to prove it. Sometimes before a test, we feel like VK here. Confused, messy notes everywhere, nothing sticks. But what if you could turn into this version of VK? Smiling, brain glowing, and remembering things easily. Let's find out how. In Japan, there's a powerful idea called Kaizen. It means small steps every day. Instead of trying to cram everything at once, you practice little by little. The brain loves this because tiny steps build strong memory pathways. Take math for example. The area of a triangle is half times base times height. On day 1, just write it 3 times. On day 2, solve one triangle problem. On day 3, explain it to a friend. Little steps, done daily, make the formula impossible to forget. Now here's another Japanese trick: visualization. Turning facts into pictures. The human brain remembers pictures better than plain words. Let's say you want to remember water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Instead of repeating it again and again, draw a kettle with steam shaped like the number 100. Next time you think of boiling water, the picture pops into your head, and the fact stays locked. The third technique is spaced repetition. Japanese schools use this all the time. Instead of revising only once, you review the same thing after 1 day, then 3 days, then a week. Each time the gap gets bigger, and your memory gets stronger. Say you're learning capitals. Tokyo is Japan's capital, Canberra is Australia's. On day 1, write them. On day 3, test yourself again. On day 7, test again. By spacing it out, you'll remember it forever. Here's my favorite part: make it fun. In Japan, kids often turn study into games. Flashcards, doodles, even comics. When you enjoy what you're learning, your brain pays extra attention. Imagine the periodic table. Hydrogen becomes Hydro Man, a superhero who's always first. Oxygen becomes Oxy Ninja, always sneaking into your breath. Silly? Yes. Memorable? Absolutely. So here's the secret. Remembering everything is not about being born with a big brain. It's about smart techniques, small daily steps with Kaizen, turning facts into pictures, using spaced repetition, and making study fun. These 4 Japanese-inspired methods can transform the way you learn. If you try even one of these techniques today, you'll notice the difference tomorrow. And if you want more fun ways to learn smarter, not harder, hit that subscribe button and join VK and me on this journey. Let's keep learning together.